Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the process of transferring a domain to Hostinger in 2024. If you've got a domain from another registrar and want to manage it with using Hostinger, this step-by-step guide will make it super easy. So let's dive in. First of all, open the web browser on your mobile device and go to Hostinger's official website, which is www.hostinger.com. And from here, make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you land on the home page of Hostinger, click on the hamburger option on the top left corner of the screen. From here, click on the option saying domains and click on the option saying transfers. From here, you will be able to transfer a domain, but before that, make sure that your domain meets the transfer requirement. Make sure your domain is unlocked and you have authorized code. And if you meet all the criteria as mentioned above, click on the text box right here and enter the domain name and simply click on the option saying transfer. And since this domain name is not registered to me, the domain is locked, and if you have unlocked your website, you can easily transfer it. So this is how you can transfer your domain to Hostinger in 2024. And if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.